How to add music to Instagram posts with multiple photos. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom you're gonna find different icons. Click on this plus icon. With that your gallery will open up. Now click on this icon given over here. Now you will be able to select multiple pictures. Once you select it, click on the option of next. From this page you can edit your pictures. And once you are done, click on next. After you land to this page, here you will see the section of add music. Open it. Now you can search for the music that you want to add in your post. After you select the music, by tapping over here, you can select the clip duration. You can set it up to 90 seconds. Likewise, you will see this rectangle icon. By scrolling right and left, you can select the particular part of the music. Once you are done with customizing these settings, click on the option of done. Now you can add a caption, tag people, add location, and then click on the option of share. And now you can see that all these pictures contain music. So this is how you can easily add music to Instagram posts with multiple photos. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.